हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, इट्स मीनिंग एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट्स कम टू द पॉइंट, व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग? In simple terms, management accounting is an accounting that is useful to management. We all know in any business firm, the most important task of management is to make effective and timely decisions. So management accounting simply uses data provided by financial accounting. It analyzes and interprets that data using tools and techniques like ratio analysis, time series, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, etc., and then provides this analyzed and interpreted data to management so that they can take timely and effective decisions for the business organization. So first objective of management accounting is analysis and interpretation of data collected from financial accounting. So सबसे पहले and most important objective of management accounting is that it takes data from financial accounting that financial accounting provides in form of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Then it analyzes and interprets that data using various tools like ratio analysis, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, etc. And then it provides that analyzed data to management so that they can take effective decisions and timely decisions for the business organization. So that means management accounting collects information from financial accounting, analyzes it, and makes it more meaningful for the management for decision making process. Next objective of management accounting is controlling. Here, the management accounting sees whether the resources of the business organizations are being used properly or not. For this, management accounting uses standard costing, responsibility accounting, budgetary control, management audit, etc. Because management accounting needs to ensure that all the resources of the business organizations are being properly utilized. Next objective of management accounting is reporting. So objective of management accounting will be reporting. So here management accounting sends all the meaningful information to the management when the management requires that. There is no fixed time when the reports will be sent to the management by management accounting because reports जब भी management को चाहिए होगी, whenever management needs to make any decision, management accounting will send them the report. So unlike financial accounting, we don't have any fixed time period or accounting period to submit reports to the management for decision making because management might need information on daily basis, quarterly or monthly, or it can be annually also. So whenever the management requires, management accounting will send the reports to management so that effective and timely decisions can be taken by the management. Next objective of management accounting can be decision making. That means management accounting help करता है management को to take very important decisions for the business organization. Such important decisions can be whether any product line should be continued or not. They can also have to be choosing from make or buy. For example, they have to use certain material in their process of making or in their process of production. So whether they should be making that part themselves or they should be purchasing it from outside from any other business firm. So all these decisions can be taken by management if they are provided correct information that is given to them by management accounting. For that, a lot of tools are used by management accounting such as marginal costing, differential costing, absorption costing, etc. Next important objective of management accounting is coordinating. Like one of the scope of management accounting is budgetary control. So there we have one master budget and we have other related budget of the company also. So all these budgets are well coordinated with each other. For example, production budget will depend on sales budget, purchase budget will depend on production budget, labor budget will also depend on production budget, raw material will also depend on production budget, and hence all the departments, all the of the business organizations are well coordinated. Last objective that we are taking here today for management accounting is that it helps in evaluating the efficiency of the policies made by management. So management accounting policies को check करने का, test करने का भी काम करता है that whether policies made by the management are effective or not, and time to time policies को review भी किया जाता है so that goals of the business organization are well met. So we can say management accounting is simply a bridge between financial accounting and management of the business organization because it collects data from financial accounting in form of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. It analyzes and interprets the information to make it more meaningful. Then it communicates the information to management so timely and effective decision making is possible on the part of management. So objectives like we discussed just now of management accounting are: number 1, analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Number 2, coordinating. Number 3, controlling. After that we have planning and policy making. Thank you for watching. Keep liking the videos, subscribe to the channel, and if you want me to make a video on any specific topic, please write in the comment section below. The topic for the next video will be difference between management and financial accounting. So stay tuned in. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.